Preparations underway for Prime Minister-designate Andrew Holness to be sworn in on Thursday. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, political appointees to start submitting their resignations.
James Robertson declared winner of Western St. Thomas. Marsha Francis vows to continue the work.
Petition filed for magisterial recount in St. James Southern.
And in the business day, another company gets ready to list on the junior market.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The Constitution requires a minimum of 11 ministers to be in the cabinet. What size cabinet would you find acceptable from Andrew Holness?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after this break.